Hi guys! So ngayon, mayroon ako sa inyong i-share na isang company na nag-a-accept ng no VA experience. And then, na-try ko din mag-submit sa kanila ng proposal and 1 to 2 days lang, nag-reply naman agad sila. So, let's go! Hi guys! So, ito na nga yung isi-share ko sa inyo, si Abroadworks or Abroadworks. So, kayo na ang bahala kung ano yung pronounce nyo. So, ito daw, si Abroadworks ay Global Hiring Made Simple. So, find, onboard, and manage. So, as you can see, meron na agad ditong start hiring. So, mamaya natin i-click siya. So, tingnan muna natin yung kung ano yung meron sa kanilang website. So, how it works. The first of its kind full-service global employment solution. They provide an end-to-end solution that makes it easy to find and vet international workers. Monitor productivity and manage payroll. So, yung vet, ano yan? Veteran international workers. Ibig sabihin. So, ayan. Meron silang find, onboard, and manage. So, sa find, they take the hassle of creating and posting jobs description. So, sila yung mismo nagpo-post ng mga jobs. And then, onboard, sila yung nag-handle ng mga, ayan, let us handle region-specific vacation benefits and taxes. They automate the preparation of the required contracts, legal documents, and background checks. And then, afterwards, they manage, build in productivity and time tracking report, security and privacy, automated payroll, easily manage vacation benefits and time off. So ayan. So ito yung mga company na meron sila. And then better testing, better talent, better results. So ayan. So meron silang accountant, marketing manager, developers. So ayan. So meron daw silang 400 plus employees hired, 75 plus active clients. So, ayan. So, meron pa sila dito, mga So, ito yung mga jobs na meron sila. So, virtual assistant, digital marketing, accounting and bookkeeping, customer service, developing and AI. So, and EOR beta. So, I am not familiar with EOR beta. So, ayan, guys. So, familiar lang ako dun sa iba. And then, if we are going to check their LinkedIn, so, ayan. So, meron silang 16K followers. And then, overview. They help forward-thinking businesses that understand the value of people to find, onboard, and manage incredibly talented professionals from all over the world. So, ayan. Company size 201 to 500 employees. Founded 2019. So, 2019 pa silang nag-start. So, ayan. Kung makikita nyo doon sa page post, under sa LinkedIn nila, may mga post sila, 18 hours. So, and then, 1 day. So, ayan. So, if we are going to check kung ano yung mga jobs na opening naman nila. So, meron silang mga, ayan, scroll up natin. Financial controller, case manager, intercom electrical, and then senior graphic designer. So, meron din mga virtual assistant, and then accounts payable, agency administrative. So, ayan, assistant, insurance claim processor. So, marami silang mga open na jobs. So, ayan, kanina habang nag-scroll tayo dun sa mga jobs na opening nila, nakita natin si virtual assistant. So, ayan, drafting and quotation. So, kailangan may experience at least 1 year. Ito ay full-time, remote. So, ang compensation is from $4 to $6 per hour. So, ayan, yung kanilang job description. We have streamlined our application process and it now takes under a minute to apply. Yes, I think totoo to kasi na-try ko mag-submit ng application or mag-fill out ng form sa kanila, and I think 1-2 days lang sumagot na sila dun sa email. And then I'm going to show it to you later. So, ayan. Staffing and consulting agency catering to many companies from various industries all across the US and Canada, to whom we provide top-notch multinational talent from across the globe. So, US-based sila. So, the following job-related experiences required: must have at least a year of experience virtual assistant, drafting and quotation, or similar role. So, strong understanding of kitchen and home design principles. Must have experience with design coding software. And then, experience in Microsoft Excel. And then, your responsibility include but are not limited to the following: interpret architectural and cabinet plans to instruct dimension and specification. So, ayan, meron silang mga responsibilities will include but not limited. So, ayan, successful candidates for this role are expected to possess the following attributes: must have excellent English communication skills, of course, kasi US and Canada yung client. Has the ability to complete projects in a timely manner. So, ayan, great logical, verbal reasoning, exceptionally detail-oriented, ability to think outside the box. So, meron pa silang ganitong successful candidates for this role will be rewarded with the following benefits and compensation: a total of 5 paid vacation days per year, a 5% raise per year guaranteed. So, ayan, paid 15-minute break for every 4 hours of work, fully paid healthcare, benefits after 2 months of full-time work, and compensation range $4 to $6 per hour. So, ayan. So, meron pa nakalagay dito, vacation days increased by 1 vacation day per year. Example, after 1 year of employment, the total paid vacation days on year 2 would be 6. On year 3, 7. So, ayan. Nag-i-increase yung vacation leave. So, maganda siya, guys. So, they are US-based firm that specialize in finding extremely talented people from all over the world with our home brew technology, comprehensive assessment, and extensive interviews. We carefully sift through thousands of candidates to find the perfect fit for our clients. So, ayan. So, if you're going to apply for this position, just click here. So, try natin i-click. So, ayan. You need to fill out this application. So, in yung resume, you need to attach it here. So, first name, last name, email, phone number, country of residence, and paano nyo or how did you hear about Abroad Works. So, ayan. Then, submit your application. So, ayan. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung reply sa akin doon sa application. 1 to 2 days lang, nag-reply agad sila sa akin. So ito yung i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginawa ko. And then, as I've said earlier, naka-receive ako 1 to 2 days lang, naka-receive ako ng feedback from them. So, mabilis silang mag-reply, guys. So, ang in-applyan ko ay si social media manager. So, ayan. And then, so, work experience. So, walang, hindi required ang experience. So, full-time, $4 to $6 per hour. So, ayan. Yung hiring process nila ay assessment, video call with HR, interview with hiring manager, offer stage. So, meron kayong parang 2 interviews. Actually, parang 3. Lalabasan niyan 3-4. Kasi yung assessment, pag minsan, tinatawagan din kayo, and then yung video call with HR, and then yun nga, yung interview, tapos yung offer, yung job offer. So, ito yung tinry ko kanina mag-apply. So, kinlik yung apply for position. So, ayan, fill out ko yung itong application na to, pero afterwards, hindi kasi ako nag-sign in sa kanila. So, ito yung na-receive kong email from them. So, ayan. So, Hi friends, thanks for reaching out. So we are grateful for your interest in joining Abroad Works. However, to ensure that your profile receives comprehensive evaluation by both our team and clients, we kindly request that you, to complete the application yung kanina. Kasi hindi ko nga talaga siya kinumpleto kasi hindi naman talaga ako actually apply. So, parang na-curious lang ako kung gano'n din sila kabilis sumagot. So, upon application here, you will be asked to create your profile and answer our required assessment. So, ito yung in-applyan ko, social media manager, and then full-time siya, home-based. So, ayun. So, nag-request sila sa akin na i-complete yung profile ko dun sa kanilang website. So, ayun guys. So, para lagi kayong updated sa information, so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para updated kayo sa job offer ni Madiskarte ng Pinay. Grazie!